Hello friends, it is time to do our calendar. So let's sing our calendar song together with my magic instrument. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Boom. Good job, friends. Look who it is. Sky, do you want to count with us? Yes, I want to count. Okay, Sky, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, friends, we're going to count to see what day we are on, starting at number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sky, do you know what comes after the number 11? I don't know. I need help, friends. Don't worry, Sky. We will help you. What comes after 11, friends? Do you friends know? That's right. Number 12. Okay, friends. Let's see if our magic instrument has the number 12. Are you ready, Sky? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, we're going to say magic, magic together. Ready? Magic, 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 magic. Is the number 12 in here? Boom. Is this the number 12? Yes. A 1 and a 2 make the number 12. Good job. And today is Thankful Thursday. That's correct. Good job, friends. If today is Thankful Thursday, what day was it yesterday? Wacky Wednesday. Good job. If today is Thankful Thursday, what day is it tomorrow? Fun Friday. Good job, friends. Today is Thankful Thursday. Friends, do you remember what month are we on? What month are we on? Yes, the month of February. Can you say February? Good job. And what is the first letter of the month February? What letter is this? Letter F. Can you say F? F. And what's the sound that the letter F makes? Good job, friends. Shine, shine, shine to everybody. Well, that is it for our calendar. Thank you so much for singing along and counting with me, friends. See you, friends, in my next video. Bye-bye.